Good evening. I am Mofiz speaking with you. So today I am going to narrate with you a very beautiful story. I believe you listened this story either you read in your syllabus in your childhood time. I think everybody know about this story. It is Hasty Crow. Whenever I was in primary school, there I read this story in my mother language. So, dear, today I like to share with you this story. I hope this story will give you mentally pleasure and peace. So, let's go with me to the story. It was the summer season. Everywhere was very heavy in a hot moment. Everybody was feeling thirsty. So birds also feel thirsty. So on crow was so thirsty that day. He was searching water here and there, every place. But finally, it did not find water for drinking. He was very angry and thirsty also and tired. What it can do it now. But somehow he saw a clay pot in corner of a house. When he came downside, he saw this is a water pot, but there is a very less water. He can't enter the pot and he can't drink. He was thinking in his mind, what can I do now? I need water. But water is quantity is so less, not possible for me to enter inside a pot and drink. There is a chance I can lost my life if any child saw me or see me. So it was thinking. After a time he got an idea in his mind. He started giving the small piece of stone inside a pot. While he gave lots of stone piece inside a pot, so slowly water was coming upper side and stone took place of water. So after a time he finally succeeded in his mission and it this crow took and drink water. So by how he used water and drank water. What is the moral of the story? Sometimes we say there is a no option, but we should think what is possible, how can do this work. Without thinking, if you take some decision, maybe later you will feel regret. But use your brain. God give you unlimited brain. God give you extra power. Animal have a brain, but human brain and animal brain totally different. We have a power of brain. God give us brain. We should use it. When we will use it, automatically we will find our way as like grow. Sometimes we think very easily whenever we get some problem, my life is end. No. Problem it is the part of life. It is not mean end of life. Every opportunity have a place for you. Every problem make you strong if you take it lightly, because every time problem not stay with you. Problem came and go, but it give it place for make yourself, try yourself, prove yourself. So if you get some problem, use your brain, but don't try to think use end of life. So my dear friend, so now see how I narrate a story to improve English communication. Whatever I spoke with you my previous time and today, moral of my conversation, only one, how you can improve yourself, how you can grow in your desire. This is my only one mission, and I am always with you. If you need some help, you can directly comment on my channel. I will try to help you as per my best. Thank you for watching my video.